sorkar Meghalaya mentakasi kalashim ya karai ben kentu ya sorkar pedeng ban weng no iki kentien unrepresented tribes naka 6th schedule jongka riti senchar jongka ri India. Habakran ki nong tok hubor hadin ka review meeting jongka sorkar menteri rang ba Conrad ki sangmau le tho bai kite ki kentien de ban weng no naka 6th schedule jongka riti senchar ka ri India but annam penrung sho yaki lada don ki jing pen kelai ki riti senchar jongka ri India. Conrad ki sangmau le thu baka sorkar kwa banai jingmo de ka sorkar pedeng baka wei na ki lai tili ki autonomous district council ki de bandon sau pongut ki nong mikmat kentup ya saungut ki bala thong da ka sorkar.
And in that it was decided that the municipal councils as a subject will continue in the jurisdiction of the state, and we will recommend that it should not be mentioned in the amended constitution, act or the bill of the 6th schedule amendment, but as per discussions with respective district councils, subjects and certain areas of governance even within the municipal board can be worked out between the councils. So for example, in Raul's Autonomous District Council, there has been a suggestion and there has been a discussion that certain aspects of the municipal council should also be worked out with the town committees, and those aspects will be looked into to find out the balance between the council and the town committees and the municipal board. But our recommendation will be that the municipal councils should not be included in the amended version of the 6th schedule that is there. So these were the 4 decisions that were taken today. The rest of the decisions, as you are aware, that we are more or less agreeable to most of the other recommendations that have been given, and we want this amendment to go through because this amendment will strengthen the councils, will allow anti-defection law to come in, will allow funding to come in, which will be financially beneficial for the district councils. The second round of consultation we had in regards to certain aspects of the amendment to the 6th schedule, which had been parliamentary committee had given its suggestions and recommendations on it, based on which Government of India has asked the state government and the district council's opinions and suggestions on those particular issues to be given. Last week we had met and we had initiated the discussion. Post that, the CEMs and the district councils had meetings with our officials as well as with the Advocate General. And today was the concluding meeting to finally give the recommendations from our side to Government of India on the different points that were mentioned by the Parliamentary Committee on the 6th schedule amendment. The first issue was regarding the issue of unrepresented tribes in the nominated seats. So we as state government and as district councils have recommended that the word unrepresented tribes must be removed. So therefore, the word unrepresented tribes should not be there, and accordingly suggestions will be made to Government of India on that aspect. Number 2 was regarding the number of seats, and we felt that, and so did Government of India also feel that there should be a uniformity when the suggestions are given. Therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, we have decided to recommend that the 3 district councils shall have not more than 40 members each. The 3 district councils shall not have more than 40 members each and shall not have more than 4 nominated members. So total will be 40 maximum and nominated will be 4 maximum, which is similar to how it was earlier in the original 6th schedule, where the numbers was kept 30 and the maximum nominated members was maximum 4. So similarly, we have said that it will be maximum 40 with maximum nomination of 4. Any permutation combination will accordingly be issued by the governor on the recommendation and suggestions given by